The items you would need for this job would be Mercedes-Benz oil, lots of oil filter, a funnel, ratchet extension, 27mm socket, and a pump. Start off by taking off the front intake that is held in by clips at 3 different points. Take off the engine cover by just pulling on it. After you've done that, connect the pump to the positive terminal of the battery and connect the negative wire to the frame of the car. Then, put the tube inside the dipstick hole and let the oil drain. After the oil has drained, take your ratchet and unscrew the oil filter. Remove all the excess oil. At this stage I had a lot of trouble taking the oil filter off. Be very careful because the plastic is very fragile. The plastic part will cost you around $70 to replace, so be very careful. I couldn't get the oil filter off, so I just decided to break it off. Remove all the rubber O-rings. Put new ones on. Put back the new oil filter and make sure it's all the way to the back. Pour some oil into the cap and lube up all the O-rings. Screw in the oil filter, make sure it's tight. If you have a torque wrench, just follow the instructions on the cap. Now it's time to fill the car with oil. Make sure to use a funnel. You will need approximately 6.5 to 7.2 liters of oil. Make sure to check your dipstick as you're filling it. The owner's manual recommends the oil level to be right in between minimum and maximum.
Another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one.
Check your dipstick.
Another one.
Now start up the car and make sure there is no leaks. Get into your car, put the key to position 1 and then press both phone buttons and OK. Go to Assist Plus. Turn on ignition. Then press the back button. Go to full service. And then just confirm. This will reset the service timer on your car. Now go ahead and put everything back together. This was a fairly easy job. It only took me around 2 hours and I saved around $350. Anyone can do this. I put all the links for the tools in the description. Hope you enjoyed this and thanks for watching.